Hey, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Good morning, good people. It's your girl KB. You know what I do and you know why I do it. It is Thursday, August 3rd, and it is 2:40 in the a.m. Yes, you heard that correctly, 2:40. Me and God, up early in the morning. Haven't started reading my devotionals yet. Haven't even set up the computer to read my devotionals yet. I want to share something with you that I'm watching unfold. And it's not the first time I've watched this unfold, unfortunately. I'm going to say the names were changed to protect the innocent. I'm going to talk about well-intended blessing blockers. And blessing is a made-up word. I made this word up for blessings and lessons, blessing. Okay. And in this instance, I am the blessing blocker. And based on history and knowledge of the situation, of the parties involved, I should know better by now. But when something pulls on my heartstrings and my definitive sense of justice, I act. You know, for me, right is right is right is right. There are no gray areas in doing the right thing. So that's what I mean when I say my definitive sense of justice. And, I have a blind spot for the gray areas. And God moves in the gray areas. Amen, 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 and amen again. So, this being said, let me just... Party A, the party of the first part, likes attention, is needy in the terms that we use, needy. And this is rooted in unaddressed trauma. Party B is needy as well. But now I don't know Party B, the party of the second part, well enough to know their history. But I know that Party B is needy based on their interactions with Party A. Now, I think Party B is unfulfilled in life based on their actions and choices right now. There may be some unaddressed trauma. I want to give the benefit of the doubt and leave that door open. But they're needy in such a way that it's exploitive. Now, Party A is exploitive as well, because Party A, on some levels, has some insight into what they're doing and who they are. But Party A always has a rationalization and justification that sounds plausible. So bottom line, folks, this is problematic. It's two folks with self-seeking interests trying to deny the exploitive nature of the communication and connection. And it results in a power struggle. Now, Party A goes into histrionics and somatization, which means they embody various things that are going wrong and exacerbate, whatever is already wrong. And Party B is exploiting that. Or it's like, I'm going to bend you to my will. You need me. Now, that's every dysfunctional relationship that you know, every toxic relationship that you know. Which leads me to the old horse story about the hound dog that disturbed the entire neighborhood. And the story goes, there's a hound dog that howled all day and all night. And, the neighborhood didn't mind as much during the day because a lot of people worked or, they were outdoors tending to the farms and whatever. But this dog howled and howled and howled. But at night when everybody laid down to rest, this dog howled. So finally the neighbors got together and appointed a spokesperson. Said, go over and talk to Farmer Brown because this is getting ridiculous. The dog is just keeping everybody up. So the spokesperson goes over to Farmer Brown and begins to discuss the situation. And it's like, look, man, your dog is keeping everybody up. We have work just like you have work, and we need our rest. What is wrong with your dog? Why does he howl like that? And Farmer Brown, sitting on his porch, his favorite rocking chair, pipe in hand, says, well, he's been like that for a while. I figured out he's laying on a rusty nail. It's like, okay, then fix the situation. Man, your dog has been torturing us for... Farmer Brown in his infinite wisdom. Well, I reckon, he'll get up and move when it starts hurting bad enough. When it starts hurting bad enough. See, now here's the part that I play in this. I tend to see a person hurting, see a person in need, put on my cape, fly into the situation to rescue. And what I'm doing is a temporary fix, because the hound dog is going to go right back to the nail until it starts hurting bad enough. I woke up to this the other day. All that being said, I'm taking my cape off, folding it up, putting it in one of those vacuum bags, God is yours. Because when you fix it, it's going to stay fixed. When you fix it, the dog is not going to go back to the nail. Amen. There you have it.